DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know the Dan is back in the lobby now. I don't know when the lobby where they are. Yeah man, crazy reactions and crazy moments on your what? Head top. You see me answer gang. Yeah man, today we're back with another one. We're there with it's a dark, you know. You see me? Yeah man, I don't know who they are with. Kraff Dan. The one name Ignite. You see me? I want to see what I got deal with. You see me? Kraff, you don't know. Regular artists who rap on the channel, dog. Kraff right now have a wave and dancehall. Right now, Kraff have dancehall a wave for the new school in the hand right now. I just say Kraff want to do with it at this point. You see me? Yeah, man. When Kraff drop a track, you don't know say it have a bounce, it have a vibe. Dog. Kraff basically no miss that me a lot of people say. You see me? I say so where they are, see if they continue, you know, continue run Kraff Ignite. I don't know Kraff on our favorite channel artist react over. Well, let's see what Kraff do. You see me? Kraff Ignite, let's get it gang. Well on there, what is the name of this? Wait, the street did not say what I thought it said. And yes it did. Mama! All of the girls that come from the street like, link up. Oh, I'm Tono. Yeah, man, you don't know it, me and IG. Yeah? Yes, Mama, if you're blessed. Lead gang.
What do you like? A first class trip to Dubai, hopping out of space cool, make her sip in the skies. Yeah. Says she love a sinner when I live in the Nile. She gets slippery and slide when she listen to my voice. What do you like? She said.
Come in there.
She said. Ignite that fire that's inside. I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight? Do you believe? Don't you dare lie. Break my heart, don't you dare try. Can you save me? Be my night. Ignite that fire that's inside.
Easy Kraff than different dark type of love song, but go on.
That fire that's inside. Roses are red, onions are blue. Gyal pussy tight, gyal pussy have glue. Gyal pussy clean, gyal pussy not flu. Ring you sell it 1 AM, you see na pop up in two. Naked pan the roof, make it fucking I do. She whisper at me ears, none fuck me like you. To other fuck about me, I feel it natural.
Peace.
Ignite that fire that's inside. I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight? Do you believe? Don't you dare lie. Break my heart, don't you dare try.
You serious? Hey, this have a bounce, man. No, man. Yeah, man. Over them, all of the girls that come from Good Pussy Avenue. Big up on the damn self. Yeah, man. Both here, Good Pussy Avenue, all of them place there. I told Terrace, you see me? I say, I'm a builder one day, you see me? I say, yeah, man.
What do you like? A first class trip to Dubai, hopping out of space cool, make her sip in the skies. Says she love a sinner when I live in the Nile. She gets slippery and slide when she listen to my voice.
Sinner when I live in the Nile, alright?
What do you like? She said.
What she say?
Like that fire that's inside. I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight? Do you believe? Don't you dare lie. Break my heart, don't you dare try. Can you save me? Be my night. Ignite that fire that's inside. That fire that's inside.
Easy now, man.
Roses are red, onions are blue. Gyal pussy tight, gyal pussy have glue. Gyal pussy clean, gyal pussy not flu. Ring you sell it 1 AM, you see na pop up in two. Naked pan the roof, make it fucking I do. She whisper at me ears, no.
In the roof, naked pan the roof, more fucking I do. Just papa, reverse out and sitting. Mama, you don't know what time it is.
Fuck me like you. To other fuck about me, I feel it natural. Ignite that fire that's inside. I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight? Do you believe? Don't you dare lie. Break my heart, don't you dare try. Can you save me? Be my night. Ignite that fire that's inside. That fire.
Come here now, man.
Ignite that fire that's inside. That fire. That fire. When she come from good pussy avenue. Your body up, girl, you no regular for true. She walk with a groove, ass full of attitude. Pretty pan the fun seat, princess in the cool. Ignite that fire that's inside. I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight?
Bad tune, man. The video visuals crazy as well too, you know. Big up Kraff.
Do you believe?
Y'all let me know look good.
Don't you dare
Easy,
lie.
mama.
Break my heart, don't you dare try. Can you save me, be mine? I ignite that fire that's inside. That fire.
Y'all let me ignite the fire, you see?
That fire that's inside. I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight? Do you believe? Don't you dare lie. Break my heart, don't you dare try.
Oh man, I believe don't lie no. Don't try bro. Hey, don't try bro, 𝐑𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you know how you feel?
Can you save me, be mine?
No.
That fire that's inside. That fire. That fire.
Yeah man, bad tune man, bad tune. Kraff, Dan, you don't know how Kraff do him thing. That was a drop some mad sick track. Different concept. You see me, different type of sound. You know? Even dog talk about love and them thing have a dark theme to it. But still love dog talk about. You see me I say, doesn't have a dark way. You see me I say? But anyway gang, I'm gonna think about that one in the comment section. You see me I say, if you like it, definitely go leave it, definitely go show the artist and what support making us dance anyway. You see me I say gang. Also, let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop your comments. Let me know your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Girls, you see me I say, visuals, let me know. Let's chop it up, man. Let's get a dialogue going, man. Also, drop your request so you can get your shout out, gang. You see me? Yeah, man. We're there. Don't know reactions and bangers pound on top. Also, gang, you don't know, so we're on the road to 10K already. You see me? We only, what? Right now, we only 100 away. We only 200 away from, right now, we're only 200 away from 10K? From 7K? 200 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. You see me? I say, gang, so you like and subscribe button, help your boy out. Help your boy out. I mean, help your boy out get that 10K before January. I kind of zoned out a while ago. You see me? Before Christmas and New Year's. You see me? I say, I appreciate y'all, man. We're going strong over here. You see me? I say, that mafia, I appreciate y'all. You're active in the comments and all that good stuff, man. Showing your boy support, hitting the like and all that good stuff, man. So, you see me? Yeah, man. We'll continue on all that good stuff. Next year, we hopefully can hit 25, 20K, 50K, 100K. You see me? Yeah, man. Now, I'll vibe much longer. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other, love, guys. And
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.